Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alfred, for those of you just joining us, and this is Capital City Aquatics. And today we're going to be looking at the issue of treating your python tubing once it starts to accumulate algae inside the tubing. This can happen from time to time. I've dealt with it on a few different occasions. But we're going to look at how you can treat the algae inside and remove it so that you don't need to purchase new python tubing to do your water changes. So if you notice here, we have spots of black algae on the inside of my python tube, and it pretty much runs the length of the tube. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat that and remove the black algae as best as we can so that it is good to use again to do water changes for your aquariums. So what we have here is our bucket system, and we also have some Clorox bleach, and we have a pump. So what we're going to be doing is attaching the python fitting to the pump and pouring a solution of Clorox bleach and water into the bucket and letting the pump operate and run through the solution in the tubing for an hour and a half, possibly as many as 2 hours, to clean the tubing out. And then we'll check back after that time is over, and I'll show you the final result. So stay tuned. So we have our pump submerged in the water and bleach solution, and then we're just going to put the other end of the tubing into the bucket, turn the pump on, and just let it do its thing, and we'll check back in an hour. If we still see a substantial amount of the black algae on the inside, then we'll go ahead and continue running. Right, so our water and bleach solution is finished. So what I've done now is I've replaced that with just a pure water solution, and I will be running this through the hose for probably another 40 minutes or so just to clear out the hose. But as you can see here, the bleach and water solution worked perfectly to get out the black algae that was building up in the hose. So like I said, we'll run this through for another 40 minutes or so, maybe an hour, and we'll check back after it's done. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. Just recently disconnected the hose from the pump. Had clear water running through it, and as you can tell, there is no sign anymore of the black algae, so we're good to go. So yeah, basically a mix of clear water and bleach, run it through for about 45 minutes to an hour depending on the severity of the buildup in your tubing, and after that running just a clear water solution through the tubing for another 45 minutes to an hour does the job, and saves your python hose tubing, and you can go ahead after that process is finished and continue to use it in your aquariums with no risk to your fish. I've been doing this now for years and have had a great deal of success, as you can see, with it every time. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.